everyone. So I'm back with the voiceovers, and I'm back, and I just need a little bit of woosah. So right now I'm going to be taking a nice yellow eyeshadow from this eBay palette, and make sure you like this video, hit the Noodle Squad, and click the bell. Alright, and I'm just applying the yellow to the crease. Using with this eyeshadow is the e.l.f. round brush. It's one of their little crease brushes, and I love this brush because one, it's amazing. Taking a blue from that palette, I'm going to apply it right under the yellow. It's kind of giving like an ombre greenish bluish effect, so I really like the look of that. Then beside the blue, I'm going to be applying a purple eyeshadow. Okay, so the reason why I feel like this is because I just did that cut crease barber hack video, which you need to check, and it'll be linked down below. It's so cool. Like, I just nailed it. So I'm taking the eyeshadow from the ColourPop palette. I will have a link below. I don't have the palette near me, so I will have it linked below, but this is pretty bronze color. I'm just going to apply it all over to the lid. I'm taking the same exact brush that I have used throughout the whole entire look, and I'm going to be using it to be blending out the shadows, making sure there is no harsh lines, and I'm also making sure that I apply the shadows upward. Taking some X Lash mascara, and also I'm going to be taking Broadway's lashes. Could be a little struggle at times applying lashes. Now here's the fun part. Now I'm going to be taking some glitter from IMA Cosmetics. It's some pretty nice, gorgeous gold glitter, and I'm going to be applying it right above the line. Look at that. It's so cute. did now was just apply some white base. I think I kind of went a little bit overboard with the white base, just a little bit. But in person, it looks really, really cool. But at the same time, on camera, it looks like, oh my gosh, girl, what was you thinking? But I just applying white base so the lower lash line could be a little bit more noticeable, I guess. And then I took some green and blue eyeshadow from the Ruby Kisses color eyeshadow, or Ruby Kisses eyeshadows, blah blah blah. I've applied my favorite lip combo. I done this lip combo pretty much a lot, but I'll have all the products below, and this will complete the look.